Yes, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you're watching this video. Welcome to Max Makes Maths Easy. Today we are going to do a question on the topic matrices. Today we are going to do a question on the topic matrices. So we have two questions that we are going to deal with today. The first question reads, given that A is equals to 2, 3, 4, 4 and B is equals to x, 1, 2, 3, and that AB is a singular matrix, we are told to find the value of x. So what are we going to deal with here? We are told that the matrix AB is a singular matrix. What do we know about singular matrices in Form 3? Singular matrices, what is a singular matrix? That's a question that we are going to ask ourselves. What is a singular matrix? A singular matrix is a matrix whose determinant is equal to 0. I hope you know how to find a determinant of a certain matrix. So here we are told that AB is a singular matrix. So what are we going to find first here? We are going to find the matrix AB, and the matrix AB is given by multiplying A and B, and A we are given as a 2, 3, 4, 4, and B is x, 1, 2, 3. Remember, the matrix B is the one that has x, the x value, and that value of x is the task we are going to do to find that value of x. So AB, remember, in multiplying matrices, we multiply each row by each column, So we are going to start with row 1 and column 1. Multiplication of matrices, remember, it involves even addition. So we are going to do multiplication of matrix A and B. So let's start multiplying. So it will be 2 multiplied by x, that is 2x, then plus 3 multiplied by 2, that is 6. Then we go to the next one, which is 2 multiplied by 1, this is 2, then plus 3 multiplied by 3, that is 9. Then we go to the next one, is we have finished the first row. We are going to deal with the second row of the first matrix A. So it is 4, the second row, it is 4 multiplied by x, which is 4x, then plus 4 multiplied by 2, which is 8. The next one, the next column is 4 multiplied by 1, that is 4, then 4 multiplied by 3, that is 12. Now this is a matrix AB. So if we simplify matrix AB, we will get 2x plus 6, 11, 4x plus 8, 16. So what are we told here? We are told the matrix AB is a singular matrix. What have we said about singular matrices? Singular matrices, their determinant is equal to 0. So what we're going to do is find the determinant of matrix AB, which is given as this one. So the determinant, remember, when we want to find the determinant, we take the elements in the main diagonal, the multiplication of the elements in the main diagonal, we subtract from it the multiplication of the elements in the minor diagonal. So this is going to say 16 multiplied by 2x plus 6, we subtract the elements, the multiplication of the elements in the minor diagonal, that is 11 multiplied by 4x plus 8. What is this? This is 16 multiplied by 2x, that is 32x. Then 16 multiplied by 6, that is 96. Then minus 11 multiplied by 4, that is minus 44x. Then minus 11 multiplied by 8, positive 8, that is negative 88. So this is the determinant. Determinant AB is equals to this one. So we are told that the determinant of AB, which is 32x, let us put the like terms together, minus 44x plus 96 minus 88 is equal to 0. If we subtract here 32 minus 44, that is negative 12x, negative 12x. Then 96 subtract 8, then 96 subtract 88, you will get I suggest that we will be using your calculators, so don't struggle with the simple additions or simple subtraction. So you just use your calculator. Calculator in examination rooms are allowed, so just use your calculator. So 96 minus 88, that is 8, positive 8. Yes, positive 8, which is equal to 0. So what do we find here? We will find, to find the value of x, we will shift the positive 8 to the right side to be negative 8, then it will be negative 12x is equals to negative 8. To find then the value of x is equal to negative 8, then divided by negative 12. What did we learn? We learned that in the number line, or yes, yeah, in dealing with the problems that involves negative numbers or positive numbers, we said when you take a negative number divided by a negative number, the solution becomes a positive number. So negative 8 divided by negative 12 is equals to 8 over 12, which when we simplify, it is 4 goes into 8 2 times and 4 goes into 12 3 times. So the value of x is 2 over 3. That is the value of x. So remember, since we have found the value of x, if you want to confirm things, just take your x, return it, or replace it with the x in the matrix AB and see if you will find the determinant to be 0. That's the answer. The second question reads, find the inverse of matrix B, given that B is equals to 9, 8, 7, 6. I hope you know how to read matrices. We start by rows. We read rows from left to right. Rows from left to right. So we are told to find the inverse of matrix B, given that B is equals to 9, 8, 7, 6. In finding the inverses, I remember I did a video that related on how to find the inverse of a 3 by 3 matrix, and today we are going to do a video that needs you to find the inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix. If you are given B, the inverse of B is written as a B inverse with a superscript of -1. So B inverse is equals to, we said to find B inverse you take 1 over the determinant of B, then the elements in the main diagonal, we shift them. If here it was 9 and this 6, here it will be 6 and here 9. So we have interchanged them. We interchanged their positions, and the elements in the minor diagonal, we change the signs. So it will be -8, -7. So what is the determinant of B? Remember, to find the determinant of B, we said we take the multiplication of the main diagonal, that is 9 times 6. Then we subtract from it the multiplication of the elements in the minor diagonal, that is 8 times 7. So 9 times 6, we said it's 54. And minus 8 times 7, that is 56. What is this? 54 minus 56. This is a smaller value or a smaller number, and this is bigger number. So the answer is a negative number. So 54 minus 56, that is -2. So what is this? So B inverse is equals to 1 over determinant of B, that is -2, into this 6, -8, -7, 9. That is the inverse of matrix B. But if you want to simplify things, that is B inverse is equal to 1 over -2 multiplied by 6, that is -3. 1 over -2 multiplied by -8, that is 4. 1 over -2 divided by multiplied by -7, that is +7 over 2. 1 over -2 multiplied by +9, that is -9 over 2. And if you want to simplify it further, B inverse is equal to -3, 4, 3.5, -4.5. I hope you have followed through. So our B inverse is here. This is our answer. Hope you have followed through, and follow the channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's give mathematics the flowers it deserves. And thank you very much.